Hello pop-uppers, this is Chacha. Let's make another pop-up art video. Keep watching! This is our model, and we're going to make a pop-up beaver that looks like coming out of the paper. This is the spread, and I designed it first with these hand-drawn green grasses. First, fold the body in the center, then create a triangular fold like this. Fold the head half, then attach the head onto the triangular fold of the body. Make sure that their folds are aligned to each other for the right balance. Create folds on both sides here because they will serve as our tabs. Then, for the tail, let's create this fold at the base of the tail as our tabs. And make sure that the center fold is aligned with the center crease of the spread. Before we attach the body, let's attach the feet first. So now, let's paste the tabs of the body onto the spread. Remember to align the center folds of the pop-up elements to the center crease of the spread to achieve the right balance, so that they will lie flat perfectly in place when we close the spread. Okay, here it is, our pop-up beaver as if it's coming out of the paper. Pop-uppers, this pop-up mechanism is inspired by Colin Todd of his Red Panda pop-up card. If you want to visit his channel, just click the link in the description below. And this is our final pop-up beaver. Thank you, pop-uppers. See you next time. Have a great day. God bless. Bye!